Hello guys! Good morning everyone! Ayan. Today is Thursday and day off ni Inday. Day off natin sa work. So, tara guys, samahan niyo ko at breakfast, go to church, and then massage. Ayun lang naman yung kaligayahan natin guys, and then palinis ng paa. So for today is medyo mainit pero konting cloudy, baka ulan dito. So anyway, maraming salamat po sa pag-follow and subscribe to my Lilian Palamadas vlogs and also to my FB page. And so ayan yung natin panahon natin. So sige guys, again maraming salamat and then have a wonderful day. See you later. Bye for now guys.